Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to disable touch vibration on Motorola G06 Power. But before I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. And yeah guys, first thing first, here I'm gonna open the settings. And now to disable the touch vibration, you just have to go to this sound and vibration option. Tap on it. Now you just have to scroll it down until we find here the option which is vibrations and haptics. Now in this page at the bottom you will see the touch feedback. So if you wanna disable or you wanna remove the touch vibration, you can disable, or you just have to non-activate this button beside the touch feedback. Yeah guys, I'm gonna tap on it, and yeah, there are no vibration again when I touch on the screen. So yeah, I think it's enough guys from me. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial how to disable touch vibration on Motorola G06 Power. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.